Today to talk about ring topology, which is a networking system. And the advantages of setting a network up in this system is that the data moves around the network really easily. Okay, it only travels in one way, so it hasn't got lots of different places to go to. That you can easily add another computer. So if you want to put another computer into the network, that's possible. And because the data only goes around in one way, there's never any data collisions. Some disadvantages of this is that if one computer is taken out of it, obviously the network's then broken and the data can't transmit through the network. As the data passes through, it has to go through each computer. So if we turn a computer off, then again the network's broken and we can't use it. Okay, this time we're going to stop to talk about a star topology, which is a different way of setting a network up. And basically in this topology we've got computers and a server that are connected by a hub which decides where the data goes. This is a really reliable connection because all of the data has to go through the server back to the computer. This means that obviously if this computer then gets broken, these computers can still gain access to the server and they'll still work. There's few data collisions because obviously all of the information, each computer is connected to the server, so all of the information travels directly to it. It can be expensive to set up, mainly the cost of wires. So obviously you'll see that each thing that's connected to the server has its own separate wire, and you need experts to be able to set that up. Obviously as well, if the server crashes, then you lose the network because they rely on the server. Okay, this time we're here today to talk about bus topologies, which is a different way of networking again. This is quite an easy way of networking. Each computers are connected to a central cable and the server as well. So everything goes through the central cable to the server. Okay, it's low cost, there's less cable needed to do this, and organisations use it as a temporary measure before they get a good network topology put in place. There is some issues obviously with this. If all the data is travelling down one central line, then we're likely to experience some collisions of that data as well, because all of the data comes from the server and the computers aren't connected individually to that server. Each computer can see the data that's going along the line, which makes a low security type of network. Again, you're limited on how many computers you can have on, depending on the length of your central cable. Okay, so at the end of each piece of central wire on a bus topology, in order to stop data colliding, we have a terminator. This means that data only travels in one way.